Hello kids, how are you? A very lovely morning to everyone. So today we are going to do section C, that is grammar of MTP-4. I hope you have done section A and B. Now section C is of grammar and it is of 20 marks. First question is of conjunctions. You have to use and, but, and or. These three words, connecting words, conjunctions, you have to use in these four blanks. So first is, I like coffee dash my wife prefers tea. So here, but will come. I like coffee, but my wife prefers tea. Next is, would you prefer coffee dash tea? Question mark. So it's a question. There are options. There are two options, coffee or tea. So or will come. Now next is, I take milk dash sugar in my tea. So in my tea, what I take? That is milk and sugar. So and will come. There are two things that I take in my tea. So and will come. Now fourth is, his favorite snacks are, there are two snacks which is his favorite, that are cakes and biscuits. So and will come here. So in this way you have to do question 1. Second is contraction forms, means short forms. So I have, I is a subject, you will write as it is, I apostrophe ve. I have, I've, I apostrophe ve. So what you have to shorten, that is the helping verb, the verb over here. See, what is the verb here? Have, is, will and are. These are the verbs. These you have to contract it. You have to shorten it. Like I, he, she and we are the subjects. You will write as it is. Like I have, I apostrophe ve. Next is he is. So he is the subject. So you will write as it is, he, 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 then apostrophe s. So what you have to shorten, that is the verb. He apostrophe s. Now next is she will, she'll. She is a subject. So you will write as it is, she, then apostrophe ll. She will. Now next is we are. So what is the subject? We. So you will write as it is, we apostrophe re. We are. We are. Now next is, you have to rewrite the following sentences using correct punctuation marks. You have to add in this sentence, in these two sentences. Like, do you have a dog? It's a question. So at last question mark will be there and first letter of the sentence should be capital. So do, D should be capital and at last question mark should be there. Next is January. J should be capital. It's a proper noun, or even the first letter of the sentence. So J will be capital in January and at last full stop will be there because this is a statement. Now next is, you have to make meaningful sentences out of these jumbled words. So first is, the pigeon is on the tree. Full stop. Full stop you have to add. Now next is, question mark is there, so you have to make a question. Is it sunny outside? Question mark. Next is, I like to eat bananas. So in this way you have to make the sentence. At last full stop you have to add. Now last is, question mark is there, so you have to make a question. Where is the apple? So question mark you have to add. Where is the apple? So in this way you have to make interrogative sentence. Now last is your subject and predicate. Means you have to underline the subject and circle the predicate. So subject means the doer. That is, Mr. Sharma is a famous singer. So who is a famous singer? Mr. Sharma. So underline Mr. Sharma, that is a subject, and rest of the words are predicate, that you have to circle. As it is in next, Mary, the pilot and roses. These are the subject you have to underline and rest of the words are the predicates that you have to circle. So in this way you have to do your section C. I hope you will be able to do it. in your fair notebook. Thank you.